Hey Sean, this is Scott with Impact Layton SEO. I'm replying to your Facebook message that you sent me, and I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing you some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business profiles. I would appreciate to hear your feedback on the video, just to let me know if it was educational and beneficial for you. So here's your website right here, and I do like your logo. It's pretty sweet. I do love the coloring. But one thing that I would really recommend for your website is to add more content. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords that would be found in Google searches. And that could be, window washing Layton, window washing Salt Lake. And they usually have a service and also a location. And another tip that I'd recommend is for all your images, videos, anything like that, if you save text correctly, instead of it saying spectacle glass logo, it could say something like a buyer intent keyword because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So I did go ahead and put website into a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The DR and the UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want these balanced and continuously moving up. You're currently at 0 strength and 8 trust, and that's due to your backlinks and referring domains. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. It kind of acts like an endorsement for your website. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure to avoid the spammy backlinks while going after the authoritative ones. And you do that by staying relevant to your industry and also your location. And it looks like you're being indexed for 19 keywords. You're getting about 12 people to your website each and every month. Implementing these strategies, your DR, UR, and also traffic should be going up. And also when your traffic is this low, now this is a third-party tool, so it could be off, but when people are only going to your website, 10 to 12 times a month, your website acts a lot more like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool that could produce an ROI for you. And then looking at your keywords that you're being indexed for, window cleaning Utah, there's 150 searches. You're in the 7th position and you're getting 5 people to your website for that. Window cleaning Salt Lake, there's 300 searches. You're in the 20th position, which also means the 3rd page of Google for that buyer intent keyword, and you're only getting 1 person to your website. Then the rest of these you're not even ranking for. And some of these, are, especially like 300, you're in the 3rd position. If you rank for these buyer intent keywords, a percentage of those are going to start going to your website for you, and that's how you get more brand awareness. So for an example, I did do window washer Layton. You usually get your local ads and Google guaranteeds right up top. And if this is something you need to generate business quickly for, that's a great way to start. But being in the Google Business profile is really where you want to be. And look at that, you're right there, which is great. So you're doing, you're posting, you're getting reviews constantly, you're posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, or you should be. That's a great way to stay in the Google Business profile. And then also a good way to branch out in other areas than just Layton. And then you go down into the organics, and this is what I was talking about being in the 1st, 2nd, 3rd page of Google. And it looks like Squeegeezy is one of your top competitors for Layton. And it looks like they're a ginormous franchise here because it has all of these locations and everything like that, which is fine. But the thing is, for those particular areas, all you have to beat is their back page, not their whole entire website. But when you start to have more content, better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, you will start to outrank your competitors. And to kind of give you an example of the search volume, and this is just Salt Lake, but window cleaning Salt Lake City, there's 300 searches a month. Salt Lake City window cleaning, there's 300. And as you can see, there's about 1,000, just between these 3, there's 700, and then, some more down here. But this goes to show you there's like 1,000 being searched for just in Salt Lake City. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of this total volume is going to start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to your website is going to start giving you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer. So this is kind of what I do, and I hope that this video is beneficial for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to talking to you. Have a good one, Sean.